This is my SSR 110. Bone stock. Yeah, really, that's all I have to say. Freaking flat tire, because the stock tires only last like 5 hours. Nice monoshock or whatever it's called, I don't know. Stock exhaust on it. Black plastics. It's a pretty nice bike, I guess. Maintenance is really bad though. You have to freaking change the oil every 5 hours or whatever, but I don't do that. Nice kickstart. Oversized foot pegs and whatnot. Hydraulic brakes work pretty good. On the back brake though, that weld right there was awful. So I just like put 2 plates in and fixed that. I don't know if you can see that. So it works pretty good now though. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, it's a pretty good bike. Alright, I would start it up, but it's cold. I don't feel like dealing with it. I might do that later. Start grips, they're like melted when I got them. But, pretty good. Don't last long though. They're already losing a little bit of their grip. Comfortable though. Nice kill switch. Gas caps, whatever, I guess. They did scratch it though when I got it. That was nice, but I'm getting new plastics for free for warranty. So. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like a 22-inch or millimeter or centimeter carb. I really don't know. 110. If you guys think about buying one, that's pretty good for your money. So, it's a Honda XR CRF 50 copy. Most things for it fit, but I don't know. I don't really have the money to buy anything right now, so guess I'll keep you updated or whatever with whatever I do with it. Might get some videos of me riding it. Nice kickstand. 4-up, foldable. Yeah. Thanks for watching.